Hi everyone! Let's learn some Chinese sayings. First, Chinese sayings are mostly composed of 4 characters. But you can also find others with 5, 6, or 8 characters in daily use. Let's start with one interesting Chinese saying that has an equivalent expression in English.
入乡随俗
Literally, this means when in a village, follow the local customs. It means adapting to the customs and practices of the place you are in. You must recall the English equivalent of it. That's right, it is when in Rome. Do as the Romans do.
入乡随俗
When traveling to a new country, it is very important to do as the Romans do.
入乡随俗很重要很 means very
很
重要 means important
重要。
入乡随俗很重要
Follow us, and let's have an unforgettable journey.